Hi, this is Guose prefab house. This big guy behind me. It is a gray trailer apple cabin customized by an American customer. It is 8.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide and 3 meters high. It's 1 bedroom, 1 kitchen, 1 bathroom. The trailer apple cabin is 27 square meters. All its doors and windows are made of broken bridge aluminum, double layer hollow low-E glass, sound insulation, and each glass door is fitted with a honeycomb roller shutter. Shading rate up to 99.9%. Here is the location of the electrical box. All our hydro meets American standards. You can use it directly after landing. This is a knob switch. The brightness of the light can be adjusted according to your needs. Every window is equipped with screens, can effectively prevent mosquitoes. This is the kitchen area. There are lockers up and down. There's room for a small refrigerator down here. And up there is a strip of lights. Except for air conditioning, we also have floor heating. The bathroom is equipped with first-line brand hardware bathroom. There's room for a small washing machine. Built-in trailer system. You can let the house travel with you.